you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels getting me. Finally you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I won't go up the streets, just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I could take a limousine. Let's go out, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning. Don't you rush into these gates. These gates will kill you. Don't let them decide. Sweet words are not true. Real love isn't blind, and you can bet on it. Yeah, you can bet on it. Burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning,
don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. There's never way that you can tell me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, who you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the rock in your veins, and just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, I'm what you need, what you need. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, for all y'all girlies out there that really be doing wigs, y'all are some. I burnt the hair, y'all. I burnt the hair. Like, it don't even, I done burnt the hair, y'all. This all y'all gonna get from me. And I took my picture already for my profile picture. Let me show y'all this lace. I ain't even, don't try to ask me where I get it from, because I got it from the TikTok shop. Let me stop playing with y'all. I tried, I don't know what I did wrong. Can y'all tell me in the comments? I tried curling it. I burnt the ends. See how it's all, I burnt the ends of it. I put mousse and then I chopped on oil, and that still didn't work. I really wanted like some curls. I wanted to give some body. But all I got is just straight hair. Maybe it's the type of hair. I don't know. But thank y'all for watching my channel. I got my picture out of this for my profile pic for now. It's not the best one I wanted. I really wanted some curled purple hair. But that's what we gonna work with. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I kind of like that. I mean, I guess in the profile picture you won't see my hair. Ooh, it's kind of looking cute. Let me go back and take some pictures. But thank y'all for stopping by. I really do appreciate y'all stopping by and watching me fool around. And look at it, it's getting all frizzy or whatever. Oh goodness, Candace, I'm about to take this off. But this is such a cute wig. I love purple. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. Enough fooling around with it. I'll talk to y'all later.
Can we build it up? Build it up.